Hey everybody, welcome back to my Grow Like a Pro YouTube channel. Today's video is my first official video for 2024. So we are very early in the season. Today is February the 1st and I started these back on, let me just check my phone here where I took a picture, January the 26th, and it was 7:15 when I took the photo when I had just placed them in here. So with today, we're talking about 6 days, and I noticed that 2 days ago, these things had already started to germinate. I'll just open them up here, and these are ready to be planted right now. So let me just zoom in a little bit, and these here are older seeds from Mackenzie, and they are basil. Little basil seeds. Now that I've zoomed in, you can see these a lot closer up, and it does look like I have 100% of success. Maybe not, maybe that's one right there. Almost started there. But these all, yeah, they very close to 100%. This might have come loose from another one when I opened the paper. But there we go. So I am actually going to get those into a little bit of soil today. And I should clarify that what I did to start these off is I placed the seeds in a little piece of paper towel. I wet down the towel, folded it over, and then I put it into this little baggie and completely sealed it, and that keeps the moisture in, and it's a really good way to get your seeds going, and then you can actually see what's going on with those seeds. So what I have here is a little grow environment. I just got these on Amazon the other day, and I've filled that with some soil. And what I'm using for my potting soil is some potting mix by Miracle-Gro, and I bought it in a 4-pound bag, which is 1.8 kilograms, and it was about $5. And I thought I would just go that way because they've added some nutrients to the soil. And I noticed that last year some of my plants weren't doing as well as I think they could have been. And I've also bought some new grow lights this year. So I'm gonna get those installed and get these going. So I'm just gonna open these up. This was really more just for a little test this early in the season because it's way too early to start planting these, but I thought if I can try to get them going and see how my grow lights are going, maybe I'm gonna have a little bit of success and a little bit of fun just practicing. So I'm just gonna grab some of these here. You always wanna get the leafy area down. I'm just going to open this up a little bit more. You'll always want to get your leafy area standing upward, and you want to make sure that you can see it as you cover it up, just like that. Hopefully you can see that right there. I'll do one more and then let's zoom in a little bit just to see if I can get a little bit closer to that. So we'll put one in right in here. So you want the green upward. Go nice and easy, get that in there. And then make sure I'm gonna lift it up and get it in. Just like that. Very, very hard to see on that one there. So can you see that? There's the little guy right there. And then there's another one right there. Super, super small. Anyway, I've got a few more here. I'm just going to load those all in and then I'll come back when I'm done. So I am back. I've just done all of the little plantings. So I've got a larger one here, one here, one here, one here, one there. You can see them all in this area here. There's one in there. Gotta make sure that's covered in nicely. And another one there, and another one, tiny one there. And then in here, there were a bunch that had not started. And I'm not sure if they were from the other ones. They were the little seeds with the little gel on them, and I don't know. So I just put them in there. We'll just see what happens here. And so this year I decided to do something a little different, and I went and I bought this stuff on Amazon. This has good ratings. This is actually made by Miracle-Gro right here. Made, what does it say? Nurtured by Miracle-Gro. And this stuff here, not, well, pretty expensive. Not cheap, but you put in here for houseplants, it's 2 milliliters per gallon or 4 milliliters per gallon for outdoor So houseplants 2 ml, outdoor 4 ml per gallon, and 1 gallon, 1 US gallon is almost 4 liters. It's 3.8 liters. So very inexpensive when you actually figure it out, because this here is going to last a very long time. And I thought this year I want to start the plants with some really good nutrients. And because last year all I was doing was just using regular tap water, and I've also decided to buy one of these because you can get in and go really, look at the precision that you have with this. I really like this. I've also started, I bought 2 little systems for hydroponics, and I've had amazing success. I started using those a couple of months ago, and it's unbelievable, the plants and how green they are. This is because the pods that they use for that system, it's called Click and Grow. You know, I guess all of them are basically the same, but it's all the little pods are filled with nutrients. So the plants really have the best chance of survival and growth. And I have little cherry tomatoes going. The plants are so green. They look like something that came out of the greenhouse. Like nothing like I've ever had before. Just starting off with no nutrients. You know, just using regular soil from outside. So this year I figure I'm just gonna start like this, and we'll see what happens. So I just want to get enough of this stuff down. So this is a very, very weak solution of just regular water with that nutrient. So that looks pretty good, just like that. And then I'm going to close this down. You can close these off and then just get it like that. And there we go. So I am going to keep keep updated on these as they go. So today is February the 1st, 2024. And I'll keep you updated. So that's it for this really fast video. Thanks for watching.